We are in Monte Sereno, where we electrified another home, and for our customer Don, we were able to get more than $10,000 in rebates. Don, are you happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
Believe it or not, but this is true. You can get more than $10,000 in rebates for your home improvement project. So we replace gas furnace to a fully electric heat pump. We replace gas water heater to a hybrid heat pump water heater. And since we replaced them together and there are no more gas appliances in the house, we were eligible for additional California Smart Home Energy Program. Also, we are eligible for tax credits, and when we sum them up, we are getting more than $10,000, and that's a massive rebate, it's a huge saving for you.
Hello, my name is Vadim with IRBIS HVAC. Today I want to share with you how we installed heat pump and heat pump water heater for our client Don in Monte Sereno. Here we have Carrier variable speed 18-SEER heat pump. What it means that it can be adjusted anywhere from 25 to 100% capacity. It will provide very consistent, very nice and very comfortable temperature all year round. As you can hear, it's very quiet. It's only 56 decibels. I'm sure his neighbors will be happy because it's very quiet. Here we have our air handler. We got whole house air filtration, and we got UV sanitization. That means client will be able to filter air and sanitize the whole house when system is running. We also got zoning board. That means client has 2 zones on every level of the house, and he will be able to get precise temperature at every zone. Also, we have safety water switch, flood prevention switch. That means if there is any leaks happen, it's gonna shut off the whole system. We have gas line that's capped off. We no longer have any gas for furnace. This is heat pump water heater, and I want to tell you a couple cool features about this water heater. Basically, the first one is outlet for cold air. That means every time water heater is running, we're not only producing hot water, we're also cooling our garage. Very nice at the summer. We can cool our garage and save some energy. We got mixing valve, which can reduce hot water consumption on 30% by mixing hot and cold water. We got expansion tank, and it can prolong the lifetime of the home fixtures. Water fixture. Also got leak sensor here. That means anytime your water heater leaks, it will not flood your garage, but turn off the water heater and you get like alarm notification to your phone. And we also have smart control board. You can control it with your phone, you can program it, and it also sends you alarms and notifications to your smartphone.
When I got my first $600 a month PG&E bill, I realized I needed to do something different, and that's when I started investigating HVAC systems and looking for a contractor to help me. And after reviewing different contractors, and I came to the conclusion IRBIS was a great company to work with, and they helped me install the system, select the system, and get rebates to help pay for it. I saved over $10,000 by going through IRBIS and letting them walk me through all the different rebates that are available.
And the bonus part, we installed EV charger for our customer as a complimentary service because we were able to secure additional $500 rebate from Silicon Valley Clean Energy. Our customer just got the device and the installation was free of charge.